Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at the Peterson Grommet mounting kit. This is for 2.5-inch diameter trailer lights, and anything that's a round light will obviously fit inside this rubber grommet. This helps to not only take up the gap in any kind of pre-existing hole on your trailer. It fits into a 3-inch diameter hole. That's where that lip will seat into. But it also helps to give a little road shock protection to your light, since that road shock will be absorbed by that squishy rubber rather than it jarring your light too much. Also helps to just kind of finish up the look, make it look a little cleaner install. And this also comes with that 2-prong wiring plug-in, so we can get our light connected without too much trouble. A lot of lights will have the prongs on the back that will accept that 2-prong design wiring. The nice thing about this is that it is a 90-degree angle, so it doesn't come straight back from the light. It's going to go off to the side, makes it a little bit easier to wire that up, especially in more of a tight quarters situation. And you might have to really press down on that wiring to get it pushed into the back of the light. But once that's fully seated in there, our light should be good to go. Now this light doesn't come with it. I just have this here as an example just to show you what it's going to look like whenever it's installed. So you can see it fits nice and flushly, or nice and flush inside our grommet. The wiring comes through with no issues. And I'm going to connect this up to power and ground, just to show it really does what it says it does in powering that light. So there you are. Lights on, everything's working properly, and we'll be able to get our trailer lit. Now as far as dimensions, I'm going to take everything apart again. Our grommet, we'll start with that. So outside dimension from edge to edge, it's about 3 3/4 inches wide, 3 3/4 inches in diameter. It fits that 3-inch hole. That's where that lip will seat into. You can see there's a nice thick edge that will seat into that pre-existing hole on your trailer. The hole in the center here for our wiring to go through is about 1 1/4 inches in diameter. Overall, it's about 1 1/8 inches thick, or maybe just about 1 inch thick. And then as far as what's going to stick up from the surface of our trailer, will be about 3/8 of an inch that will come above our trailer edge. Our wiring, the leads coming off of that are about 6 inches long, so that's about how much wire you have to work with. This plug is just about 7/8 of an inch long and about 1/2 inch wide. That's pretty standard for most of these plugs. They're all kind of the same, but just wanted to give you some numbers for reference there. And also as far as height, it's about 3/4 of an inch going from the top to the end of those prongs. So depending on how far in you can push that in, that's about what it will be. Now as far as lights, again, this one is sold separately. We have a lot of options available here at etrailer.com if you want to pick some up to go with your mounting kit. But that's going to do it for our look at the Peterson Grommet mounting kit for 2.5-inch round trailer lights.